What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna play a fucking bits creepy shit game in the world. This is game like Mario Bros on Vicon, but this is game is let's start. Shit. Okay, crispy duck. Okay, we select this. You fucking die, motherfucker. Joe. Holy shit. Never miss. I miss. Okay. Fuck. You fucking duck. You crazy duck. Fuck. Shit. Where's this breed? Is the hands down? Shit. Holy shit. Fuck for this game. I think the game is so easy, but this game is so hard. Fuck. Fucking shit. Shit. What is this shit? Holy shit. Come on, fucking duck, jump! Why you not? Shit! Come on. Don't make me hungry, okay? Don't make me hungry. This game is it's so fucking man. Holy shit. Come on. Come on, jump, okay. Jump. Fuck. Okay, jump. I want to change our character. Whoa, Astro Boy. I want to buy this. Whoa, a crazy Mario. This is crazy Mario. I don't know what is. Oh, this is a King Cat Mario. Okay, I want to select this. Jump, you shit. Jump. Okay, nice. Okay, jump. Okay, never miss. Okay, jump. Can you see that? Holy shit, motherfucker. Shit. Fuck for this game. Come on, jump. Don't make me angry, okay? Don't make me angry. You are so fucking man. Why you do this for me? Why you do this for me? What? Why you do this for me? Hey, Cat Mario, why you do this for me? Jump. Okay, jump. Shit! Jump, 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 jump. Your jump is so small, yeah, cat. You fucking crazy cat, okay? You fucking crazy cat. You fucking crazy cat. Okay, we did it. We did it. Oh yeah. We did it. Okay, next. Okay. This is a checkpoint. This checkpoint is also like flagnya, flag like a finish. Okay. Okay. I will. Fuck. Why you here? Hey. Hey. Why you here? Shit. Shit. Jump. Okay. Jump. Okay. Oh, I'm. Wow. Okay. Jump. Oh no. Jump and jump. Okay, you bitch. You win now. Okay, jump. Holy shit! Why you here, bitch? Why you here? Shit. Shit. Uh, three fucking bits. Three fucking bits, guy. Please make me die. Okay, jump. Okay, jump. Okay. Fuck. Okay, bitch. Okay, shit. Okay. 1, 2, 3, jump. Okay, nice, you fucking cat, Mario. Now, what next? What's a trap next? I want to show you. Okay, what a trap next? Okay, we got it. We found him. Okay, I finished. Okay. We shit. Shit. Why? This is game. It's so fucking bitch, man. This game is so shit. Piece of shit. Game is so piece of shit. Shit. You fucking dog. Jump. Okay. Okay, jump. Okay. Nice, you fucking cat. This is crazy bitch. Cat. Mario. Come on. Come on. You like behind me? He's such a crazy guy. Motherfuck! Hey! Shut the mouth, fucking bitch. Ow! Okay, I want to on the high wall like this. I want to jump on the what is this? A flag. A fucking flag. Yo, this is. I want to jump this. Okay, try again. Shit. Why you can do this for me? Come on, you fucking giant bitch. Come on. Come on. 1, 2, 3, jump. Ha. Okay. This is a high wall. I want to jump this. Jump. shit. Okay, here we are, guys. I don't know what is this game and what was the guy to make me this game to make this game. Okay, I want to uninstall this game. This game is so fucking shit. Okay, guys, always like and subscribe on my channel Kamara Gaming on YouTube. Okay, don't make me hungry. Thank you.
And like and subscribe.
No, thank you for this fucking shit game. Like and subscribe, okay?
Okay, guys.